Are you ready to transform your plain walls into stunning focal points? Stick around because we're sharing unique wall art tips that will elevate your living space like never before. Let's start with gallery walls. Combine different sized frames, colorful prints, and personal photos. Add unexpected elements like mirrors or woven baskets for a unique, curated look. Flat walls are out, textures are in. Incorporate macrame, wooden carvings, or metal sculptures to add dimension and intrigue to your walls. Why buy when you can DIY? A hand-painted mural is a bold way to add personality to your home. Go for geometric designs, abstract patterns, or even nature-inspired art. Make a statement with oversized art pieces. Whether it's a bold abstract canvas or a high-tech digital art frame, let it be the star of your room. Elevating your walls can completely transform your space. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home design inspiration.